Hi there, welcome to ELEATION's YouTube channel. Are you looking to boost your programming skills, build an impressive resume, and stand out to potential employers? Then stick around, because today we are talking about the importance of internships in C programming and how they can help you land the perfect job or internship. Internships are the bridge between classroom knowledge and real-world experience. Especially in C programming, internships allow you to apply the concepts you've learned to solve practical problems. Employers love seeing hands-on experience on your resume. It shows that you not only understand theory but also know how to apply it. At ELEATION, we understand the importance of internships. That's why our C training program is designed to give you the skills you need to land one, whether you're just starting or looking to level up. What makes a resume stand out? Experience. Employers aren't just looking for good grades, they're looking for people who can solve problems, and that's exactly what internships offer. By joining ELEATION's C training program, you'll not only learn the core of C programming but also work on real-world projects that you can showcase on your resume. ELEATION's C training program isn't just a course, it's your ticket to real-world experience. You'll get hands-on practice, work on industry-standard projects, and have the chance to participate in internships that will look great on your resume. Plus, if you register now, you'll get a special discount. The original fee is Rs 2,499, but for a limited time, you can join by paying only Rs 1,000. That's an Rs 1,499 discount. Use the QR code on the screen to register and start building the experience that employers are looking for. Don't wait for opportunities to come to you, create them. Internships in C programming will not only sharpen your skills but also give you a competitive edge in the job market. Employers are constantly looking for candidates who have hands-on experience, and ELEATION's C training program will give you just that. Start today. Register using the QR code below and pay only 1,000 Indian rupees per to secure your spot. Build your skills, gain real-world experience, and set yourself apart from the competition. Thanks for watching. If you're ready to take your programming skills to the next level and build a resume that stands out, then don't miss out on this limited time offer. Sign up for ELEATION's C training program today by scanning the QR code on the screen. We can't wait to see you in the course.